How? Me local players na me issue. How many local players? My count to 5. From 23.
Yeah.
6.
6, right? Agbasi, House of Folk. Gideos, Asiako.
6.
Dream Service goalkeeper.
Me say Dream Service goalkeeper.
Aye.
Rich. Now I was expecting an attacker from the local league. One of our best strikers in terms of the goal scoring chart. Attack community in him. August no class speak on the Lady Ghana Premier League top scorers chart. Did you? Say Ule Foundation.
Maulu Ayonso is playing so well.
Yes, Ule Foundation is the reason they are for Black Stars Team A. Ankwe because I mean that window, in fact, league matches will be played.
Yeah.
What I say?
And yes, sanctioned by FIFA.
And say Shena Mimi who say Anka Hassan and give it media local players not to go and then display to the entire world. Say Mokrano Mo Sa Kadian about Black Stars. Not 6 players. No, Rich, we didn't have 6 players there. Department be also can be 3 players.
Zando, only problem is me more sa argument in the bound board no. Problem anymore. I mean, more central ya. And I'm saying the Ghana Premier League na ye bono enye ebon.
Would be what if me would be Rich Dabi. Maybe na make a massive.
No, so
Rich
league now mumu full say league ni nyano.
Rich boss.
Do you expect Queiroz to
no boss tie. Me na make a massive. Me can't just Ghana League in a bon et antida. And you go show be a workers and nice argument though. My point is that your local league yes Black Stars were when you project some of players or moya di omwa. Why not? And Sika Kuno Yebi. Uka say maybe near I think Sudan and South Africa bebo and a COVID-19. Abrofuna Timiama. Sorry, because Abrofuna foreign based players. No wait, baby na Timiama.
Abrofuna.
I want to come poku ne Christopher Neto any opportunity. That is what I was expecting from Carlos Queiroz. So local players na nya hwenke mufa. Friend no ekobono bibi da so ana.
No.
Biliana so. And the entire coffee for we have free her, and you see, look at the list. Not to demean any of the players, but I'm saying that your local players, that's the initial and you and have a rich. And if you know the local is supposed to be their primary product. Maybe say no one get me do what I say. Me your local player argument now it's not even about merit to say omoya de chomo abuche no. Or the abuche no.
National team collab there. And so merit to collab.
I'm making a contextual argument.
Okay.
The American say we're friendly match so. Players now got some World Cup no. In any case, in the context of our preparation for the World Cup, this friendly match is useless.
But Zando
is it not useless? Because see, players here move me.
South Korea
players here from me. And we would say the World Cup.
And now maybe so that's
the point.
Listen,
it's
the woman say all squad are free. Say the main Black Star squad near the World Cup in the bar. Expect Satimi at the Kobo Mexico. Expect some of the players I was Satimi.
Wait,
yeah.
Black Stars
Rich. Yes.
Players
never go arguing.
Okay, Rich.
You better
me goalkeeper say from me. World Cup.
Goalkeeper forget about that.
No.
You heard the outfield players.
Defense.
Let's look at the outfield players.
Defense. Why never go World Cup? Huh? Which I'm saying that, say in fact, if you go make the World Cup from this list, almost 2%. And so, Mama, and Zasumi is number 1. You put pressure for the World Cup. This friendly match is useless. Number 2, Sikabi Naso. Number 3, so Jessica, trophy be Naso. And to Sadia, your local players now, a bit of Steve Zando, I am who the Dano. I don't know friendly match. Especially when it is 90% of these players who don't go to the World Cup. I know they are Ghanaians, but I'm not sure the say your local league, that's your neglected talent too much. After 23 players, and Brian him say your main players near Yawomo, not 6 pay. And if you got no. I was expecting
6
players from the department. Masa, here. You were August Nokra. You were Takumi. What mention Maulu are you?
Now, August Nokra, I say, I local blacks are so count. Galaxies.
Make a black as a galaxy. Make a black as a mousy.
Kotoko striker. Abetamo is also in the team.
Make a black as a galaxies. Make a galaxies. Make a black as. And you want make a mention saying Kebia be about 10 local players. Nanka Queiroz they are making statement say a bus local players the moya dia manu mo. Now 6 out of 23 there. Check the percentage na me here. Oh, where I'm in from. Huh?
Na me go. Queiroz grace no buy. You look girl in why?
That's another question.
Oba so here magic. Me oba say me kai I think I'm say about league back league match back
Yeah.
No, back when more legal.
Oba I'm say no.
And last week
Black Galaxies.
Yeah, and no common
monitor. Yambo league.
No, but Rich, you see the argument of the local league is not really about merit. Send the
I understand but say dia kase Queiroz should court more than 10 players from our league. Me question na mebusa so oba in the league no go.
No, but it is possible. They rate 6 no from whatever. It is possible because luckily for Queiroz, they have maintained 3 local coaches.
Maybe with a scouting reporter when he's okay with them 6 players.
No, I'm missing me in no. Now the son on that is yet me charging for the call up no one. Local players, you know you mean come ho. Now Blasters come friendly match and for so be and so for a World Cup trophy be and so. Yes, yet me for local players turning shame. Adam yes is omusa. This is too much.
Okay, some mama nyama and I Ghana Premier League ho Alexander Okone ho United game no. Medical check because of hoy